passenger rear exterior door handle. To take the inside door panel off, we need a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to only have 2 screws compared to the front. So one inside the handle on the armrest, and then one on the interior door handle. Then we're going to take our trim tool and we're going to take the door panel off. I like to start right in this general facility. And you can find the clips, pry on them. We're going to make sure the lock's down, lift up. I'm going to have to get this little piece right here too. Let's not forget that. And lift up. We're going to have the rod, which is going to have a red clip on it. We're going to push that clip out. Like that. Then lift it up. So now I'm just going to disconnect the window switch connector, squeeze on that tab and pull. Now we can set the door panel aside. Now let's pull down the door insulation and we can see the door handle really good. So the mounting screws are right here. On the rear doors, you don't have to let the window down and have the regulator out of the way. 8mm screw, and there's going to be 3 of them, so 8mm socket. With an 8mm socket and an extension, I'm going to go right through that little porthole and take the bolt out. And then I'm going to go through this little porthole and do the same on the top. The last one is right out here in the open. So before you unmount the screws to the handle, you want to disconnect this little white clip that goes to the rod to the actual latch. So I'm going to use a long screwdriver and a pick and hopefully be able to pry it, push it out. Now with the rod disconnected and the 3 mounting bolts out, the best is to open the handle and to pull it out. I like to bring it from the back forward. So, little tech tip, I found that if you can disconnect it from the latch easier, the connecting rod from the handle to the latch, it's so much easier to attach it to the handle. And the rod for the latch just goes poop right in. So I always take it out, and that way I can easily assemble the whole situation. There's little ears that you're going to line up the piece with, and once they're lined up, it'll just pop right in. So I'm going to put the one by itself, that bolt in first. You might have to go on the other side and push the handle in. Remember, just a snug So here is the green connector for the latch for that exterior door. I'm just going to push it right in. And then bring the clip around and lock it right in, like this. Much easier than the top. Now we can put our insulation back up. Grab our door panel. And we're going to reconnect that window connector, and then the door rod. Just like the latch style, pops it. Now this is where the lock goes down as far as it can go. You need to line that up first. And then you need to push on the window section area. Get that lip right in there. Then follow the clips around, make sure they line up. That's our Phillips. I'll get this one first. And then the armrest. Now let's make sure it works.